Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 9 on the chapter We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, written by Gordon Cook and Ellen East. Let us start. Why am I getting hugged now? I asked. The narrator asked his son why he was getting a hug now miss then at the time because he didn't know the reason why his son Jonathan had come to hug him. Because you are the best daddy in the whole world and the best captain, my son replied. My son, the narrator's son replied that he was the best daddy and the best captain in the whole world. That's why he had come to hug him. Not today, John, I'm afraid. But the narrator said that that day he was not the best daddy and the best captain in the whole world because he had failed to find the island. Why? Why? You must be, said Sue in a matter of fact voice. But Sue, the daughter of the narrator, said that he must be the best daddy and the best captain in the whole world. And he said it in a real voice. In a real voice. You found the island because the narrator had found the island. That's why the children came to him to hug him, to tell him that he was the best daddy and the best captain in the whole world. What? I shouted. Hearing this, the narrator was surprised. It's out there in front of us. They chorus as big as a battlefield. This chorus means sat together. Chorus means sat together. It is out there in front of us. In front of us means them. They said that the island was in front of them, as big as a battlefield, and the island was as big as a battlefield. I rushed. Rush means ran on deck. The narrator ran on deck and gazed means looked with relief at the star means faded. Outline means boundary of Isle Amsterdam. And he ran on deck and looked with relief at the star means faded. Boundary. Outline means boundary of Isle Amsterdam. See, this is the picture of the island, Isle Amsterdam Island. This is the picture. It was only a bleak. Bleak means barren. The island was barren, desolate. Piece of volcanic rock. It was a piece of volcanic rock with little vegetation, and there was little vegetation, and there was little vegetation. The most beautiful island in the world. But for the narrator, it was the most beautiful I it for sorry, but for the narrator, it was the most beautiful island in the world because it saved their life.
Be anchored, be anchored offshore for the night. B means they anchored offshore means at some distance from the shore for the night to spend the night. They anchored at they anchored the boat at some distance from the shore to spend the night. And the next morning, all 28 inhabitants of the island cheered as they helped us ashore. Ashore means on the shore. And next morning, all 28 inhabitants of this island cheered them as they helped them in coming on the shore. With land under my feet again. See what type of experience the narrator had when land was under his feet after so many days. With land under my feet, my thoughts were full of Larry and Herbie. It means to say that the narrator thought of Larry and Harvey cheerful, who had been cheerful, and optimistic means hopeful, who had been cheerful and optimistic under the direst means critical, horrible, stress, stress means tension, and they had been cheerful and hopeful, optimistic under the horrible tension. They were under horrible tension, but they did not lose hope and they remained cheerful. That's why they were able to search for the island and their life was safe. And of Mary, who stayed at the wheel for all those crucial hours. And the narrator thought of Mary, his wife, who stayed at the wheel, who had stayed at the wheel, at the steering wheel for all those crucial hours. Most of all, I thought of a 7-year-old girl who did not want us to worry about a head injury. See, most of all, the narrator thought of a 7-year-old girl, his daughter Sue, who did not want us, means them, to worry about a head injury, which subsequently took 6 minor operations to remove a recurring. Recurring means happening again. Blood clot, a recurring blood clot between skin and skull. See, the injury was serious, but still the girl did not want them to worry about her injury. And she remained encouraging her parents. And of a 6-year-old boy who was not afraid to die. The narrator thought of a 6-year-old boy, his son Jonathan, who was not afraid to die. In this way, we see that all were ready to die with one another. Nobody was afraid to die. This thing made them able to defeat death, and they were able to reach the island and save their life.